Alright, we got presents underneath. Pretty good arrangement of, what do you call them? Ornaments. Not the tree topper I would have expected, but pretty good tree all around. Could be taller.
Yeah,
I'd say.
I was having to say could be taller.
Could definitely be taller. I'd say this gets a
I say 6.
6. I give it a 6.4. I'm being generous, I think. 6.2. Split the difference.
Quick $75 ticket for having a headlight out. Good start. About a block up from where we live.
One block
About a block up from where we live.
We have
$75.
been driving for 25 seconds.
Cheers.
Hello, everybody.
Thanks for tuning in to another edition. What up, YouTube?
Hi, guys. It's week 6, I think. So we went away for Thanksgiving, and then we came back, and then it was week 5, and now it's week 6. And it's hard to keep up with the videos, not gonna lie. It's gonna keep happening, but
Yeah, it is hard.
on our page, I think it says in the banner that we're gonna be putting one out every Sunday, and that's just I think we put out one on
a
Sunday.
yeah. But
So-
we're putting them out though.
We're putting them out.
That's all that matters.
Yes. So just keep checking in.
Eventually we'll get to Sunday, and there will be one on Sunday.
In the next 10 months, on a Sunday there will be a video up.
Yeah.
We might just leave that banner out there.
Yeah.
Weekly impressions. How you feeling?
Here, stop saying that.
He goes and then
I'm feeling pretty good for the first time in this boot camp. I think I'm gonna be caught up with all the coursework by the end of the week.
foundations are some of the hardest parts to learn. So it takes a while to get into the groove of things, and it's just taken a while. Working full time and everything, it's difficult.
Yeah, taking a while for me. This kid's just flying through everything.
I'm trying to sympathize.
And I'm
here.
looking at him like, all right, dude, that's cool. Like, it's fine.
Hey, I'm helping you out.
No, it's true. He's definitely helping me out a lot, which is good, but it kind of sucks to look over and see him.
I'm over here watching
finish
YouTube videos with
everything.
my feet up.
And I'm like, I can't even pass the test that just initializes with a name. Can't even figure that out. No, I'm just kidding. But
What have we learned so far? So we've gotten past a lot of the basics. I guess we're still technically on the basics, but it's starting to get more advanced. We're learning how to use classes, which is a different way to organize your code and like affiliate it with other parts of the code, associate it.
yeah, using inheritance between
Inheritance.
classes,
Yeah.
which is definitely a lot of fun to learn.
Yeah. So we just got past object relationships, which was indicated that it would be kind of the difficult part in this
Which
in
sucked.
this module.
Object relationships is hard, not gonna lie.
Yeah, it was
It's just a very abstract concept, I think. So to wrap your head around it definitely takes a lot of exposure.
yeah, a lot of exposure. I mean, just like we've always said, exposure is key. It's also being confident in yourself.
Yeah,
Right?
so that brings us into the next topic that we want to talk about, which is just confidence. When, just as an example, when I went home for
It's
Thanksgiving.
not comfortable.
What? Oh, sit on.
Reached back. I looked up.
Trying to look cool.
One,
It's
it
not
didn't look
comfortable.
cool. Two, it's not comfortable at all. We're sitting in Philip's room right now because we didn't have another place to film. We usually film at the Flatiron campus, but we have work off today. We couldn't go there today, so we have to settle.
So we're right in front of my windows that are wide open. So if anyone walks
Wide open.
by,
If anyone walks by, they're gonna see a camera set up with two dudes just talking.
example of confidence. When I went home for Thanksgiving, after a few days of just hanging out with friends and not coding, and I tried to code on Thanksgiving, and despite my brain being pretty much rattled, I felt like I kind of forgot everything, and I was getting kind of nervous. I was like, why am I not figuring this out? And then I was getting to the point where I was getting frustrated. It was like 2 hours and I couldn't pass the simplest test. So I was like, all right, screw this, I'm done. So I put it down, and then like an hour later, I was just thinking to myself, I was like, why couldn't I figure that out? Like, I know how to do this. Like, I've done it before. I know how to do this. I know exactly what it's asking me to do. And then I hopped back on it real quick before I was about to leave and passed like the entire thing in like 5 minutes.
Yeah, I think one of the things to remember is sitting down and getting yourself into the programming mode takes a lot of brain power, and if you don't activate that brain power, it's gonna feel. I feel like it resembles the feeling of forgetfulness. Like if you're not telling yourself, okay, I'm about to sit down and really start thinking about like the errors that are being thrown at me and the problem and how I'm gonna solve it. Like it's gonna make you feel like you don't really know what you're doing, but it's because you're not actually trying.
You have to be fully invested to sit
You have
down
to be engaged
and code.
completely.
If you're just gonna sit down and be like, oh, I'm just gonna code for 20 minutes and then leave, like you're not gonna get anything done.
No.
Just go in with confidence and go in
with confidence. Go in knowing you're about to code. Drink, like if you've got to get your mind right, drink some coffee. I don't know. Set out even a time frame. Be like, okay, I'm going to spend the next 3 hours, 4 hours, or less, or more, coding, and just know how much time you're ready to put into it. A lot of the time, I'm realizing I'm shutting off my phone because it's such a distraction because I'm so popular.
yeah, okay.
But it helps. It does help because I'll do this thing where I'll be like scrolling through Instagram and then I'll close my phone and then I'll immediately within 3 seconds pick it back up and open up Instagram back up as if I haven't used it in like an hour.
Social media is made to distract you.
It's scary stuff.
So don't do it. Don't let it.
Anyway, so we are nearing the end of our first module. Some different projects in our curriculum are coming up, some of which are bonus. The other ones are mandatory. So for example, the bonus, we're creating a tic-tac-toe game where we have to design the artificial intelligence, or AI, to play against a real life player. We also have to design it in a way where we can just watch two bots play against each other. So I've already started that a little bit. It's kind of fun.
I haven't. So I haven't even looked at it.
Don't want to think about it. Yeah. It's not that complicated, and we can create it using what we've learned so far. So thinking we're 2 months in, and we're already creating some basic level artificial intelligence to use in a tic-tac-toe game. So that's pretty cool, in my opinion. But I'm a loser, so.
True.
Our neighbors are home. What's up, guys?
Good guys.
They can't see me.
Good guys.
Good guys. They have very nice dogs.
Oh, they're right there. Yep, and they're looking at us with the camera. How you doing?
All right. All right. Anyway, let's wrap it up. We're done. We'll see you when we see you. Probably not on Sunday.
Yeah, not on Sunday.
All right. Bye, guys.
See ya.